What's going on, guys? Good morning. Welcome back. It is the September 19th. We're going to take a look at the markets, Aerodrome, finance. We'll look at Bitcoin. We'll drop over to coin market cap, see what's going on with the altcoin season index. Well, we have a little bit of a pullback here taking place on this Friday morning. Aerodrome is down 2.5%. We are back below our lovely $1.30 area on the charts that have been playing a key role here on the price for going back to basically the 12th of the month, 12th of September. We had the nice solid close above $1.30 on the 17th, which was Wednesday. Closed just above it Thursday yesterday, and we're back trading below it here on Friday. In a perfect scenario, guys, we would wick back above. So we're already below. So if we wick back above $1.30 and close somewhere north of that, and I wouldn't be surprised to see that here. I mean, the price looks like it wants to get back above $1.30. You could see, I mean, plunged right through $1.30. We're hanging out below it. We're starting to rally here. We'll see if the market turns it into resistance again. That wouldn't be ideal. Again, I don't think these markets are heading lower. So I think, at some point here, doesn't mean it'll be today, we'll be back above $1.30. That's what we're looking for here. We want to see that back into support, and then we can look at our higher prices, which would be $1.39. Above that, 153, 157 are our high over here, our most recent high on the 22nd, which was $1.60. Then we have 163 is the next target above that. So we'll see. These markets have been a little odd recently. We've had the stock markets rally. I think they're getting a little lofty. So if they pull back, I don't know if crypto is going to be able to continue to rally without the U.S. markets moving higher. So it's interesting times. We'll have to see how this all plays out. But I think overall things are looking bullish. We have we'll jump over to coin market cap in just a moment. If for some reason we continue to pull back deeper today, same as yesterday, nothing really has changed, guys. $1.22, $1.20. The 50-day moving average puts the price down here to $1.20 $1.18. I think that's going to keep us covered here today. This range here, I think is going to keep us covered today. Unless something bigger happens, and then you pull back to $1.11 or $1.09. That would be some kind of a pretty nasty event to see the price pull back into that lower area. And that's that. We'll have to see how it plays out here. It's be nice to get more than just one day of momentum to the upside before getting another sell-off. Seems like all these rallies here can't hold, for whatever reason. We had a nice one back in here, but we're just in this choppy, weird whipsaw to the upside. I don't know. It is what it is. Can't control it, right? Just have to try to maneuver around it. All right. Let's check out Bitcoin dominance. BTC really not doing much at 57.89. 200-day moving lower. 50-day moving lower. Ethereum. Awesome cup with handle forming here. If you don't know what a cup with handle chart is, look it up. It's a chart pattern and bullish pattern. Looking for a breakout to the upside. And man, if that happens, I think we're going to see altcoins really take off. If and when, right? That's the question. If and when. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin still having a little bit of a hard time getting above this 117, high 116 area. Things are very quiet right now here in the markets. I mean, Bitcoin is flat, guys. It's up $5. It's like asleep. It needs to wake up and give us an explosive move to the upside. That's what we're waiting for. Let's go to CoinMarketCap, see what's going on here. Very interesting, guys. Yesterday in the markets, we hit a high of altcoin season. We hit a high of 77 as the highest we've been in a very long time. We are in altcoin season. Unfortunately, we dropped it back to a 73 right now. So again, I don't know what that means. This is what it is. Look at the charts. The price tells us what's going on. This indicator is just, it's something to look at. Prices aren't exploding to the upside right now. Because we hit a 75, a 76, 77 yesterday doesn't mean we just explode to the upside. Prices are pulling back. We're at a 73. But I guess this tells us where the money is flowing, which is into the altcoins. So it's interesting, and we'll keep an eye on this. It is at a 73, hit a high of a 77 yesterday. Take a look at the SPX. A little bit of a lofty, we're a little lofty right now. Just my opinion. Of course, the trend is obviously higher and has been for many months now. But I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a pullback. Might not happen. Again, these markets are ripping to the upside. To try to bet against that can be a dangerous thing. All right, we'll see what happens. It's Friday. Back over to the Aerodrome chart. And let's see here. Below the markets, 122. Above the markets, 130 and 139. Those are the price levels I'll be watching on this Friday. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all of the subscribers to the channel. If you are not yet a subscriber, go ahead and consider becoming a subscriber. When we upload, you'll see our videos on your home feed. You guys have a great day. Of course, not financial advice, and we'll catch you throughout the weekend. Let me know your thoughts on the market. Anything else you want to share, feel free.